Creating an app without any coding skills is not just a dream. It's entirely possible with no-code platforms. Imagine having the power to bring your ideas to life without needing to learn complex programming languages. Platforms like Bubble, Adalo, and Glide allow you to drag and drop elements, customize features, and build your app visually. You can start by defining your app's purpose and target audience. Then, choose a platform that fits your needs. Most of these tools offer templates to kickstart your project, making it easier than ever to design user-friendly interfaces. Don't forget to test your app as you build. Gather feedback from friends or potential users to refine your design and functionality. With a bit of creativity and the right tools, you can launch your app and share it with the world. So, roll up your sleeves and start creating. Your app is just a few clicks away.